So can you get thrown in jail for arguing with your Filipina? That's the question today. Well, thank you, Kuya JB, for tagging me in this video. And if you haven't been watching Kuya JB's videos or my videos or my lives, I highly suggest you do. If you're a foreigner planning to come over to the Philippines, or a Filipino trying to understand foreigners a little bit more, right? But this incident that we're talking about today just shows you it really does matter who you pick as a partner. It'll either make you or break you. So in this instance, we are talking a little bit about Act 9262 here in the Philippines. And the thing is, this couple, they were in an argument. Now, this is not firsthand knowledge. So again, this is an example, but it is a real life example that you guys need to check out and understand a little bit more. And definitely do your own research on 9262. But this couple was in an argument, heated argument, back and forth. And you guys know how heated arguments go. People flare their tempers. They say things they don't necessarily mean to say. And it goes on like that. Well, apparently this Filipino got tired of, of the situation, and she reported it. And so when he lost his temper, he would speak out on it. He would say words that he might not have necessarily meant, but and again, he said them anyways, right? We all lose our temper. Back in the West, we would do it. Again, this is the issue. Another issue, though. Back in the West, we see nothing wrong with saying these things. We see nothing wrong with lifting up our voices or raising our voices or shouting at each other, or because it's a part of the West, the culture, if you will. And we have disagreements, and you have the good, the bad, the ugly. Well, here she didn't like it too much, and so eventually, apparently, she went and did what? She went and made a case against him. Ever since then, apparently, he's been in jail. Now, again, guys, you are not in your own country. So the things that you do normally in the West can't be necessarily done here in the Philippines. Know your laws, guys. Know how to treat people as well, because your temper can get in a whole lot more trouble here. So if you cannot hold your temper, if you cannot bite your tongue, and if you can't do all of that, and you're not going to walk out on the fight or argument, well, you might think twice about coming here to the Philippines. So my suggestion is get your temper under control, learn to bite your tongue, and worst case scenario, leave the area where the disagreement is happening until everyone cools down. So those are my suggestions. If you are in a disagreement or argument with someone else, bite your tongue, walk out until everything cools down. Maybe send for grab for some food for her. Might calm things down a little bit. Send some flowers too. But definitely, guys, know what's going on where you are, because in the West you gotta know what's going on where you are too, right? So think about these things as you're planning to come over. If you can't hold your temper, guys, if you just boil up inside and your mouth goes a million miles an hour, and you can't hold it back. You might think twice about coming over here to the Philippines, guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Feel free to make comments, ask questions, and catch us on our lives or catch our other videos as they come out. See you guys in the next one.